But it's all about humanity. There is something beautiful about how much we have in common, regardless of where we come from.
My project sits in kind of this space, the idea that a technology to one culture could be very different to another.
What will happen if a building can remember? Like, can it dream? Like, can it compute our emotions, our memories?
Reconsidering and revising and then looking outward and bringing inward has to be part of the process.
And it's that engagement with multiple futures that really give us a critical edge.